Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Scarfinger, aka Mike, aka PTCAC representative, and this is going to be another painting, but I'm not going to be doing the painting. I have my Poohbear here, and say hello to the people, Poohbear.
Hi.
You should be closer to the camera.
Hi.
And she is going to do a flip cup for y'all. And she chose 3 colors. We're probably going to add a little bit of white just to give it a little bit of separation. And she's going to tell you what the colors are.
Sky blue.
I'm not cutting this, so it's medium. It's just short for medium.
Yellow, medium, and turquoise green.
Okay, so again, the sky blue, yellow, medium, turquoise green, and we're going to add a little bit of white to the cup. So I am going to basically just sit here and kind of instruct. Of course, you know how this goes, where there's, it's just going to be the music for the middle part. So you're not actually going to hear my instructing, but we'll be back for the close-up. Peace out. What's up, y'all? I'm doing a close-up alone because she didn't want to be on camera no more. So here is the painting. There was a little bit of an issue with the painting because some of the paint wasn't all the way mixed. That's part her fault, part my fault. It wasn't anybody's fault specifically. But I'm going to take you on a close-up of the painting she called Earth because it kind of looks earthy. So the bottom, you can see it's been a while. It's starting to dry on the edges. It is mostly just a swirling of the blue and the green with some white dotted in. The white is was part of the problem in this. I told her to put the white in, but the biggest problem is like the colors that she used. I tried to tell her that the yellow and the blue were just going to make more green, and she chose to use it anyway, and that's basically what happened. So, yeah, so check back for another painting. I'm going to do one right after this, so I'm going to post these probably around the same time, so be on the lookout for my painting. Facebook.com/PTCAC. Holla at your boy. Peace.